guys, come in. Watch your head on the entry. Watch your head. Okay. When I'm giving the speech, guys, wait. You'll ask me later. Okay. Well, just remember your question and ask you later. So here you can see how Ateshgah looked when natural fire was here. Back in time, when it was natural, it was on the same level with the floor. You can see there's a massive plate. As well, 4 towers also had fire on them, but there was no gas. There was the oil. We used to oil to ignite these towers. Have you seen the Aladdin movie?
Yes.
Have you seen the lamp of Aladdin?
Yes.
Have you ever thought like why is it called lamp? Because it looks like a teapot, maybe something like that, right? Because originally this is an oil lamp appeared in the territory of like we say Persian Empire, but probably it was Azerbaijan side because oil appeared over here almost exactly 100 years before it appeared in Iran. It was when it came out in Iran in 1940s. Here we had it since 1846. So yeah, and the oil back in town was leaking over here on the surface itself. People were taking it with the buckets. The main usage was the fuel for the oil lamp. Originally, the lamp of Aladdin is the oil lamp. What we used to do, we used to fill it with oil and ignite the tip. That was something like a local candle. I'll show you how original one works as well. Locals used oil to ignite these towers on the Parsi holidays. Here you can see some photos from 19th and 20th centuries. 1883, the first photo of Ateshgah, when fire worshippers were here. Baku is flat. You see, like, take a look at the Baku in the background. Absolutely flat. The rest of the photos made after natural fire stopped over here. You remember I told you during the oil boom, oil wells were everywhere. This is an entry to the temple. Guys, open some space so people behind can also see. You see that's an entry. 3 oil wells were even inside of the temple. They were like absolutely everywhere, and that's why natural fire stopped over here. We still have a lot of gas and oil over there, but the pressure is not enough to push this gas on the surface itself, so we have to produce it ourselves. And you can also see some photos. These are all oil wells on the background. Here as well you can see a lot of oil wells over here. Okay, and this is a typical size of the room. We also had a fireplace over here. Right now this is covered with this structure. I don't know how to call it. Yeah, and that's why we also have chimneys. Each room has a chimney like this. You will see it everywhere. So the fire temple is only a central building where people used to worship fire. Rooms around were built later for needs of visitors. Like people come here, they want to worship sacred fire and they need a place to stay. So that was the first caravanserai, the first guest house here in Azerbaijan. Yeah, but actually rooms also had natural sacred fire. So some visitors could worship in the sacred rooms as well. So it was available outside and inside. All right, guys. So when hold on, I'll separate it. Guys, so rest of the rooms are something like museums. When fire worshippers left this area, they take almost everything with them. That's why local management decided to fulfill this room with some mannequins, some artifacts that was found over here during excavations. So you can go explore, and I also have, you remember, our tour is in 2 languages. So right now I will assist the Russian speaking group, and then I will also join you. So I'll assist both groups. Okay, if you have any questions or something, feel free to ask whatever you're interested in. So the route goes like this. You just follow this and you will see everything. Okay.
your danger, high voltage.
When the kiss and when the touch. You remember the song? It's in 2006. Don't you want to know how he keeps starting fire? Look guys, you remember I talked about that?